Hey everyone, I'm Heinz and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we'll be looking at Stratus Goldwing, a free trading robot or expert advisor designed specifically to trade on XAU USD or spot gold against the US dollar. This robot uses a custom indicator that is designed to detect turning points in the market and generates buy and sell alerts. Now, the robot was released on the 6th of September 2024, and we are currently running at version number 1. Now, even though the robot is new, I have used some of the author's other robots, so I do think that this is a great one to add to your collection. Now, this trading robot that is designed for gold trading has some advanced capabilities utilizing the Stratus Parley indicator. Now, the Stratus Parley indicator is a trend trading indicator that can be purchased separately. However, you don't need it to trade the Stratus Goldwing EA. Now, if we look at some of the other recommendations, the symbol, of course, is gold, euro, USD, and it can be used on others as well. It uses the 15-minute, hourly, or H4 time frame. And if we take a closer look at the Stratus Parley indicator that it's based upon, you'll see that this revolutionary tool is designed to help you identify turning points or changes in market trends. It uses an algorithm that has been specifically designed by the author. And if we take a look at some of the other information, they show you how to manually incorporate the indicator as a part of your trading strategy. Now, the thing that I'm most interested in is looking at some of the images, which will give us a better idea of how the robot functions live in the market. Now, here we have a swing trading example on the XAU USD and a lovely buy trade on the Euro USD on the hourly. We also see ideal trading circumstances if we look at this image on the 30-minute time frame of XAU USD. So now that we've learned a little bit more about the indicator or the entry strategy that the EA is based upon, let's take a look at the author. Now, I've previously created videos about Stratus Zephyr, which is an RSI-based EA, and also Stratus Bora. Now, because Stratus Goldwing is brand new, we don't yet have enough results or a signal available from the author. However, I've been running Stratus Bora and Stratus Zephyr on a RoboForex account. Now, I'll leave a link to the account down below. And if you want to look at specific EAs, I provide additional information under the General tab, and then you can head over to Custom Analysis. Now, once we find the right tab, which is Magic, we can select the Stratus Bora, which is a Ichimoku Cloud EA or Automated Trading System. Now, this one uses the Ichimoku Cloud, which is its entry indicator, and then a lot of the settings for the EA are the same as what we'll see on Stratus Goldwing. Now, this cost averaging strategy using the Ichimoku Cloud has already generated over $1,800 in return with a low 15% drawdown. Now, I run 3 different strategies using Stratus Bora, and I've also tested the Stratus Zephyr EA, which uses the RSI. Now, on the Stratus Zephyr EA, I did make the mistake of not enabling the auto-lot for the stop loss. So unfortunately, we did have a quite significant loss on one of those trades. The other EA, which uses also the Stratus Zephyr strategy, is still running positively, so I'm going to keep that one running. Now, if we look at the other one that's been running, which is also a Stratus Zephyr signal, this one has generated over $100 in profit. Now, if we put all of that together on top of the new set file for Stratus Goldwing that I've been using on the Euro USD to see what the indicator and EA is about, you'll notice in combination, these even with the loss, they've generated over $1,100 in profit. So this is a good example of using different free Forex robots to trade a portfolio of these bots together and potentially generate a nice return. Now, out of these 170 free trades, we see 1,100 return in less than a year, so that's really impressive. Now, if we head to a MetaTrader terminal, and for today's example, I'll be using a FTMO demo account, we can take a look at how the expert advisor could potentially run live in the market. Now, today's set file is made for the XAU USD, and we'll be using the 15-minute time frame. I'll be testing over a custom period from the 10th of January 2022 until the 10th of July 2024 using a 10 millisecond delay. Now I'll be using the 10,000 demo account for the testing, so let's take a look at what I've made for the set file. Now, if you use the default settings, which is a cost averaging strategy, you might run into trouble when the market starts moving in opposite directions. So what I've done is I've created a set file that uses a stop loss of $50. That means whenever it enters the market, it knows that that set of trades owes a stop loss of $50. Now I've enabled the fact or disabled the fact that you can't buy and sell at the same time. This means that the bot only trades in one direction at a time, either selecting a buy or a sell signal during the set operational schedule from 2 until 12, which is typically through the Asia session and also the start of London. Now I'm using an exponential growth strategy, however it still has that stop loss or loss cap amount at 50. Now what I've done with the loss cap is this time I've set the scale loss cap to lot size to true. This means if you start enabling the auto-lot function, it will automatically increase your loss cap along with the lot sizing. So now that we've looked at the inputs, let's take a closer look at some of the different results that we can generate using a stop loss for each grid or each series of trades. Now I've done it in a way that the first test will be with a 0.01 starting lot, which is the smallest lot size to start with. So using a 0.01 start lot, let's take a closer look at the results. So firstly, we have our graph, and you'll see there are losses. However, the bot is able to recover, generating over 7% in return. In other words, a total net profit of $778 with a really low equity drawdown of only $264.44. So we do have the fact that it trades a lot, and this is an aggressive strategy with over 2,900 trades. The profit factor is slightly on the low side, so it's going to be interesting to see how the strategy will perform live in the market. Now this is opposite to if you use the default settings, where inevitably it will blow the account. So it's important that you either use a large stop loss or have an idea of what you're risking as an account percentage, or the other alternative is finding a small amount and then having a lot of trades. So if we now use another strategy where we enable the risk level setting or the auto-lot money management system, we can set the let risk level to 3, which is still quite conservative, and then still have that enabled so we don't have what happened on the other accounts. So learning from that, we see that we now have a total net profit of $1,881.24 and a profit factor of 1.08. So this one we saw that it was still able to generate, but this can still be further optimized using your own terminal. So this set file will be available for free download, and I'll leave a link to it down in the comments below. Adjust top loss, stop loss, and take profit and trading hours according to your criteria, and use this as an example. So out of the 3,000 trades, we actually won 68% of these, but you'll see our losses never exceed the size because we have that auto loss system. So the stop loss is scaling along with the lot sizing, but it only uses the starting lot. So here we have the graph for this example, and if you'd like to learn more about this robot or any others that are available on the MQL5 marketplace, make sure to take a closer look at the channel. With all of that said, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to drop this video a like and also subscribe to stay updated with future content. Thanks for watching. Bye.